Now the fan stays in one spot.
This is my fan. It's completely broken. It doesn't spin at all. I tried to put it back together, but it ripped. I even you see tape to put it together in the back, the plastic piece that broke, but it wouldn't hold. So I lost completely my fan, my brand new fan. Anyway.
This noise is extremely annoying when you're sleeping. At first you think it's dogs or another human. But then after a couple of days I realized it's the fan. So much for just white noise, right?
Going strong. I love it.